friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a day to night to makeup look using the NARS Claudette collection. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I haven't been around for a little while, but you also know that I like to do a couple of looks using a palette and then I do swatches. So the last look that we did on this channel was an Adele look using this collection, and I did the Adele look because it was when the music video first was released and her makeup was just gorgeous, perfect collection for it. So today we're doing like an easy wearable day makeup, transitioning into a really smoky, just a really beautiful nighttime makeup. Of course you could wear this, you know, during the day, and you could wear the day makeup during the night. It's totally up to you, but it was the closest transition kind of like that I could think of. So that's what we're going to do today using this same palette, and then the next video that comes up will be the swatches. So I really hope that you enjoy this look. This is the nighttime or the second makeup, so if you want to see this, keep watching to the second look. So without further ado, let's get started.
So to start off the eye makeup, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Jumbo Concealer all over my eyelids, and I'm just blending that out with a Real Techniques setting brush. I'm going to take the Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to dip into this red shade. I believe it is called... I'm not even going to try. I'll have all the names listed down below. I love NARS, but their naming technique is really quite difficult. So I'm just popping that in the outer corner and then blending that out as we go, building up that intensity. I'm not going past, you know, the outer third. I'm only bringing it into about halfway on the inner crease, like middle part of the crease. Next up, I'm switching brushes just to a soft flat brush and going into that light shade, and I'm popping that all over my free space on the lid. For this day look, I just wanted to have my eyes looking really nice and defined but open at the same time. Very gentle makeup but pretty. I'm going in with a small detailing blending brush and just doing a bit of a highlight with that middle shade underneath my brown on my inner corner, really opening up the eyes. And then I'm going in with a angled brush, and I'm taking that dark brown and just popping that along my lash line and creating a smoky winged liner. Next up for lashes, because we're not doing falsies, I am curling my lashes. So this is the 1000 Hour Heated Lash Curler. I quite enjoy it, but I feel like I have to really go in with it many times, so I'm reinforcing it. So after I've done that, I let them cool for a second, then I go in with my curler, then I use waterproof mascara, and then after I've done a layer of that, then I will go in with my curler again and lightly do a secondary curl, and then brush them through with a clean spoolie, and that seems to help keep them quite curled for most of the day. So with the eyes completed, I'm moving on to the face, and again with this palette, the names I just can't pronounce, so I'll have them listed down below. But for the day look, I'm just using the blush, and then for lips, I'm using the Augustine lipstick in the collection, and that's the day makeup completed. Moving on to the night makeup, which I honestly would wear during the day. I'm going back in with our first fluffy brush from Morphe, and in the outer corner where the eyeliner is where I'm beginning to blend that out into the crease. So I'm using the same dark brown that we used as liner. For my eyeliner today, I'm using the L'Oreal Perfect Slim eyelining pen. And with this, I'm just creating a really dramatic wing. Then I'm going in with the angled Morphe brush again and that darkest brown shade. And I'm pushing that into my lower lash line and keeping the waterline free. And then I'm blending that out with a pointed pencil brush. And then I'm taking this is a pink toned white, and I'm popping that on my waterline. And now I'm just popping on a bit more mascara, and then I'm going to take the gold and pop that on the center of the eyelid. I'm taking the brown out of the face palette and just adding a bit more dimension to my face for a bit more of an intense blush look. For highlighter today, I'm taking a MAC highlighter and I'm just using a fan brush from Real Techniques and applying that to the highest points of my face. I could have used a highlighter out of the eyeshadow palette, but the tones of those are just a little bit too dark, so we had to use something outside of the collection. For the lips, I'm finishing off this night look with Ginget. It's a really beautiful shade and really creamy and easy to wear on the lips. So that is it for the night makeup.
So that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this day to night kind of makeup transitional video. I really enjoyed doing it. I loved pulling out this palette again. I haven't been able to use it for a little while, so I'm really glad that I got to. So make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you managed to get your hands on this collection, let me know how you feel about it now down the track, whether you reach for it often or not, or if you're like me and you kind of just hoard hoard makeup and have to make yourself go through everything to make sure that you're using everything that you own. I'm sorry, I am sick. I hope that my voice hasn't been too annoying throughout this video, but anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.